Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Noor, and this is day 2 of our English learning journey. Let's learn slowly, clearly, and together. Greeting someone politely. Let's practice how to say hello in a nice way. Hello. How are you? How to reply. How are you? Practice this replies. Number 1, I am fine. Number 2, I am doing well. Number 3, I am okay. Number 4, I am not feeling well. Number 5, I am tired. Number 6, I am happy. Practice conversation between Sarah and Noor. Sarah, hello. Noor, hello, good morning. Sarah, how are you? Noor, I am doing well, and you? Sarah, I am fine, thank you. Noor, I am learning English. Please speak slowly. Sarah, okay, no problem. This is how you talk in English, slowly and politely. Now, simple English sentences to use every day. I am learning English. I speak a little English. Please speak slowly. I don't understand. Can you help me? What does this mean? Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.